May nga po di abay, kumustamos, amigos? May kesira-sira. Bitaw bay, nag-vlog ko karon kay mura kog na emotional gamay ba kay ako mga vlogs wala na akong update, and then gusto ko nindot kay akong vlogs, and to that point dili na nindot kay magsige mo ko na I have to make this look good, I have to make these vlogs look good. And what happens is it takes a lot out of me, and a lot of, maski mga one tao kada maghimo kag vlog, listen mo na siya, kapoy mga na siya maghimo kag mga vlog nga dapat nindot yun, dapat nindot kag content, dapat tagagawas ka. But I have a lot of things to do right in my life. I mag-shoot ko kasal, mag-shoot ko events, naapa ko yung uni, nag-masters pa ko karon, so daghan kayo. And plus kanang sa kanang mag-edit pa ko ana karon back lagi ko sa edit nya, alam gyud times nga tapulan ka, so muna siyang hitabo na ako, wala gyud ko ka-update sa vlog o ka-upload, which hurts my how do you say it, Bisaya pa, kanang sakit ka sa akong kapuputon nga dili ko ka-upload sa akong vlog. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna mag-upload ko mga vlogs, and also kabantay mo mag-English ko sa hay kay English mamingari, mas man pero sige lang Bisaya bay magsilabot di daw ta, di na ako i-full Bisaya ayo kay o era kayo. So muna siya mag-try ko upload ng mga videos nga murag daily vlogs na ako nga murag how I feel. It doesn't have to be like cinematic or anything, kasi muna akong muli ko sa wala eh. Magbutang kog mount sa akong camera nga rin para makastorya ko ninyo while driving. Well, what's happening is that nagliko ko kanang left turn ya, kanang walang pa niya ko. Anyway, muna siya kanang mag-try ko upload mga vlogs, daily vlogs lang. Unlisted lang ako. Kung kakama-cross mo itong vlog na unlisted, swerte mo! Pero kanang siya muna yung vlogs na personal kayo, doesn't might not interest any one of you. It's just for me, and that's what I need right now. I just need something to let out what I feel unsa, and muna siya kaya Bisaya sa siya, so effort ni siya kay maghimo mo ko ni sa akong English nga vlog nya, kaning akong Bisaya nga vlog wala pa ni ma-monetize, so duha ni kabuok at one single time maghimo gani na maghimo sa Bisaya, so ako na convert to Bisaya. And usually kung mag-convert ka, mag-change yun na ang imong ipadulti, but I'm okay, that's fine. So mura na siya. I'm heading to kanang Swinburne University right now kay nang masters ko information technology, and late na ko, so muna siya. That's the city where I'm at right now, so you can see that's the city. The sunset, sun's just gone. Half day sa kaklase na ako bay, so I'm heading to the next one right now. Yeah, let's go. There you go. Oh bye. So ano ko sa balay karon, and the thing is muna siya kanang vlog ko ganina gamit kaning camera. And yeah, I really like this camera here. It's the RX 100. It's so light, I can carry it anywhere, and it's really good. But the problem is di ko ganahan sa kanang yung quality sa video. Sometimes di ko ka-change the lens, di gid siya work for me. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying out this camera. I save up for this camera here, which is the A1, top of the line A1. So nag-think ko nga muna akong gamiton pag travel camera. It's 50 megapixels siya, so pag shoot ko nindot kayo, landscape nindot kayo. It's the top of the line camera. How do you say? It's not top of the line, it's like basta the best cameras na Sony. And video mga nindot kay siya, mic siyang video, 10-bit S-Log, everything else. But naka-realize ko later nga if I'm gonna do vlog, S-Log's good, but kaning normal 8-bit with this setting that I have, it's fine. It works for me and I like it, so why not use it? And the thing is, ang weight niya is bugat, so it's really heavy. 15 megapixels siya. Pang shoot ko kasal kung kani, ang akong card nga 256 gig na card, kay makakuha ko around 9,000 sa akong A9, which is 24 megapixels, but kani siya 3,000, so 1/3. So that would mean nga mag-shoot ko daghan ko hard drive gamiton, so I don't like that. So the thing is, yeah, I've decided now I'm gonna go back to my A7C. Unfortunately, I sold my A7C, and what's gonna happen now is that I just bought one. We're using one right now. akong baligya akong A7C, but I got another one right now, so it's really good. I like it because although it's 8-bit, it has a flip screen for vlogging. It's so light, full frame, good for travel. Again, it's so light. Again, full frame. Yeah, and I don't need 10-bit. I just realized I don't need 10-bit for vlogs. Unless kung mag-epic video ko, I'm gonna use 10-bit, but for now, this is fine. So, it's funny, but I got this now. Anyway, matulog sa kupay. Update na sa itong vlogs nga murag daily vlog na ko nga unlisted and everything. So, yeah.